Hello, this is Sam from Krypsis Alliance, and in this video, I will show you how to install Google Tag Manager on your Shopify website. Now, this is actually a very easy process. So, if you want to have something a lot more detailed on your website with regards to tracking and tagging certain events and just analyzing what's happening on your website so you can make data-driven decisions, feel free to check out my website, krypsisalliance.com. Now, let's just get into the video.
Right. So I'm in my Shopify shop. This is just a random store that I made as an example to show you how to install this. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to Google. I want you to search in Tag Assistant Legacy. So you're going to install a Chrome extension. So let's actually just do that right now. So Tag Assistant Legacy from Google. So go to this one and add to Chrome, add the extension. Alright, so that's added. Add this to our bar. So if I click this now, done. Gonna enable this, restart. So I have a global site tag and a Google Tag Manager set up. So let's see how we can do it for yourself. So go to your Shopify website, and then so you begin from your home page. Then you go to the left side to the online store, click it, make sure you are in themes, and then you're going to find those three dots right here. Click it again, and then we are going to edit the code. Then we are going to pick theme.liquid. So as you can see here, I have my Google Tag Manager script, and as you can also see, it's just at the top of the head, after opening head tag in the HTML doc. So in order to get the script, you need to go to Google Tag Manager and Krypsis Shopify. So I started a new account on Google Tag Manager, which is Krypsis Shopify, right? Then we will go to admin, and we're gonna pick install Google Tag Manager. Then we get these two tags. So this is for the nerds out there, it's a JavaScript tag, script tag. This is gonna allow Google Tag Manager to get access to the data layer on your website and tag and track the events. So clicks, scrolls, anything basically, video plays, anything that happens on your website is gonna be able to track it. So you want to copy this, the top one, and then you want to go back to your theme.liquid on your Shopify website, and then you just want to paste it right below the head tag. So that's at the top of your document. So we did that. Obviously, you click save, and then after you've done that, you don't really need to do anything else. You just restart the page, Tag Assistant, and boom, it is done. You successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your website. Now this is where it gets fun, right? So I'm just gonna show you some bonus things. So you go back to your Google Tag Manager, go back to your workspace, and I'm actually gonna preview it. Krypsisalliance.myshopify.com, connect. So now we are previewing what's happening. So when we come back here, we see, page view. For some reason that's not working though. we haven't installed the J4 tag. But let's say I click this. Ooh, look at that. Link click. Boom. Okay, so this is an example of what the things we will be able to collect. So yeah, analytics is page view, scroll, page view, user engagement. So all these 4 things, page view, scroll, not a page view, and a user engagement, are all things that the global script tag from Google Analytics has already started tracking. So I go back to the home page. Boom, we see another link click. This will be, as you can see, element URL. This is the home page. All right, and then this, obviously, another page view hit. So yeah, if you're interested in having more advanced features of your website and showcasing it on Google Analytics so you know what's actually happening on your website, or you want to integrate with different sources of data from your business, let's say from your CRM, from your calendar, from your Google ads or your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, doesn't matter what it is. If you want to get it all into a nice, concise dashboard, I can help you with that. Just check out my my website, krypsisalliance.com. You can download the free ebook, or you can learn more about my special offer. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support a starting YouTube channel like mine. I'll see you guys soon.